A cash advance from most apps does not directly show up on your credit report, because it is usually not reported like a traditional loan or credit card debt. By the end, you'll understand when cash advances can affect your credit score, when they don't, and the situations that can quietly impact your credit without you realizing it. A cash advance itself usually does not affect your credit score directly. That's because most cash advance apps don't run a hard credit check, and don't report your repayment activity to credit bureaus the same way credit cards or personal loans do. Now explain the key exception. Even if the cash advance doesn't report to credit bureaus, your credit can still be affected indirectly depending on how the app handles repayment and your linked bank account. Now, explain repayment risk. If a cash advance is repaid through automatic withdrawals and your account does not have enough funds, it can lead to overdrafts or failed payments. Now explain what that causes. Those overdrafts don't show as a cash advance issue on your credit report, but they can affect your bank relationship and sometimes lead to negative account history with your bank. Now explain collections risk. In some cases, if unpaid balances are sent to collections, that is when your credit score can be affected because collections accounts are reported to credit bureaus. Now explain soft versus hard checks. Some cash advance apps may perform soft checks or bank analysis to verify income patterns, and those do not impact your credit score. Now, explain user misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is thinking any borrowed money automatically affects credit, but cash advances are structured differently from traditional credit products. Now simplify it. The key difference is reporting. Credit cards and loans report activity to credit bureaus, while most cash advance apps focus on bank activity instead. Here's the simple breakdown. Cash advances usually do not affect your credit score directly, but missed payments, overdrafts, or collections can still create indirect financial consequences. Do this next. Check the IAP's repayment terms. Make sure you understand how automatic withdrawals work, and keep enough balance in your account before repayment dates. If everything is managed correctly, cash advances won't impact your credit score directly, but poor repayment habits can still create financial problems outside of credit reporting.